Once again. Welcome to the next topic. My humble self still remains Chinenye Victoria. I'm here to enlighten more on the topic that says seminar presentation that says the principles and application of dynamic testing. So the table of content, we have introductions, we have differences between static and dynamic testing, we have the key points, we have the use of dynamic testing. So let's dive into the main context. Introductions. So I would like to tell us more about dynamic testing. Introduction. Dynamic testing is the process of evaluating how a system, material, or component behaviors is subjected to, unlike static testing, which involve assessing a system under unchanging conditions. Dynamic testing is concerned with the responses of system in motion or under varying forces such as vibration, terminal, etc. Dynamic testing allows researchers, engineers, and practitioners to assess the performance of system structures or materials in more realistic scenarios. For example, when testing the durability of a material under stress, dynamic testing simulates the effects of force that vary with time, such as this encountered in real-world applications. We have relevance of dynamic testing in different disciplines. Dynamic testing in application across various disciplines like engineering and material science, software development, human psychology and behavior studies. And we are moving into the principles of dynamic testing. Dynamic testing, as opposed to strategic testing, involve subjecting a system or a material to fun to fluctuating force, temperature, or other time varying conditions to observe its behavior over time. The core principle is to evaluate the performance, durability, and reliability of materials of systems when exposed to real-world stress. We have key principles that define dynamic testing include time-dependent behavior. Those have to do with it focuses on how material or system responded to force that vary with time. And we have real-time monitoring. The dynamic nature of the test means that real-time monitoring is crucial. And we have energy dissipation and fatigue. A significant aspect of dynamic testing involves assessing how systems disperse energy over time. We have the theoretical framework of dynamic testing, which is stress-strain relationship, vibrating and frequency response, nonlinear behavior, and so on. So a nonlinear behavior is telling us unlike static testing, which typically assumes linear behavior, that is force leads to proportional deformation. Dynamic testing often involves nonlinear behavior, where the material response is not directly proportional to applied load. The non-linearity can arise from factors such as fatigue, plastic deformation, or hysteresis. Then we have testing method of dynamic testing. We have load testing, we have fatigue testing, we have impact testing, we have vibration testing, the rule of scenario and data acquisition systems. So we have types of dynamic testing. Dynamic testing method vary based on the field of application and the type of system being tested broadly. Dynamic testing can be categorized into the several types depending on the force applied and material or system under examination. Below are the key type of dynamic testing across various fields. We have mechanical dynamic testing. Okay. So we have the medical and healthcare application of dynamic testing. In medical application, dynamic testing plays a crucial role in assessing the performance of medical devices and human biomechanics. This test helps ensure that devices function as intended in real-world conditions and that they are performed optimally over time. And we have biochemical testing also. We have we have biochemical testing. We have the methodologies in dynamic testing. The methodological employed in dynamic testing vary depending on the field of application, this system being tested, and the goals of the testing process. This methodology provide a structured approach to conducting dynamic testing and gathering relevant data. The following are some common methodologies used by dynamic testing. We have testing plan and designs, data acquisition and management, we have testing executions, and we have post-test analysis, this one has to do with after dynamic testing has been completed. The completed data is analyzed to assess the performance of system under the dynamic conditions. So we have the application of dynamic testing. We have aerospace industry. We have automotive industry. In automotive industry, dynamic testing is essential for ensuring vehicle safety, performance, and longevity. This test assesses how cars respond to real-world driving conditions. So we have the challenges in dynamic testing. Why dynamic testing is crucial process for assessing the behavior of system under real-world conditions. It comes with its own set of challenges. These challenges range for, one of the challenges, we have complexity of real-world simulations. We have measurement and instrumentation limitation, that is challenges affecting dynamic testings. And we also have cost and resources, and we also have safety concerns and so on. So we have feature direction of dynamic testing. In feature direction of dynamic testing, we have achievements in scenario technologies. We have integration of artificial intelligence, and we also have virtual and augmented reality, the collaboration testing environment, and so on. And the key insights and finding, principle and application, types of dynamic testing, and so on. In conclusion, dynamic testing remains an essential part of ensuring the safety, functionality, and reliability of products across many fields as industries strive for greater efficiency, performance, and innovation. The need for more accurate and comprehensive testing methods will only increase the continued development of technologies such as AI. Advanced scenarios and new material will expand the possibilities for dynamic testing, making it even more integral to modern engineering and product development. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the presentation. At least you did a good job, but I'm worried. You're talking more like an engineering student. What is most of the things we are saying? Appreciate that engineering, car, motor car. What about pharmacy? What do you think? What is the application of this in pharmacy? Dosage forms. Does it have any application that at all in pharmaceutical technology, formulation, pharmaceutics? Does it have any application?
Yes, it
Uh,
has
Give us at
application.
least give us one, please. I want to hear it. At least one, two is okay.
Let's say in pharmaceutical formulation, actually, dynamic testing can actually help in the formulation of drugs and testing of potency of the drugs.
How? Paint a scenario. Let's understand what you're saying. Or would you want to come back and tell us?
No, sir.
Oh yeah, tell us now. We're listening.
Like in testing the potency, it will help to ensure that the medications are um, well produced in a normal conditions and medical techniques.
Don't worry, I'll give it another time. You come and see. If you are doing presentation, like now you are in a pharmacy and you see things like principles and applications of dynamic testing. Your focus should be in where? Pharmacy. You can mention other ones, other applications when you are done. In fact, this topic is all about principles and application of dynamic testing. You should dwell more on the principle application in your area, in our area, which is pharmacy. Then, when you are done talking about, you can say it can also be. It is also applied in so field. You mentioned one or two or three. Is that clear?
Yes. Let's say.
Okay. You don't want to come back again to oh yeah.
No, sir. Like dynamic testing is essential in pharmaceutical product, like ensuring the product's quality. It helps to ensure the pharmaceutical product that they will be able to meet the standard, the quality standard, and it also informs the clinical decision making. Like it helps to inform clinical decision making. Like dynamic testing data can inform clinical decisions making and optimize drug therapy. Dynamic testing can also play a crucial role in development and evaluation of pharmaceuticals products, ensure their safety and efficacy.
So who did you keep these things for? You okay. You really want to share it with us.
I wanted to.
You are keeping it for engineering students.
Yes, sir.
And you gave us engineering students. Oh. And I tell you what, let's clap for her, please. Let's clap for her, please. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.
No. No, well, challenge God.